A house is just the building, but a home is where your heart and family are. Number one, this big empty blank has no furniture inside. Well, if it's big and empty, no furniture, no people, just walls, then it's a house. A home without people is just a house. Number two, my grandma's small blank feels so warm and cozy. Even if grandma's place is small, it's full of love, food, hugs, cookies, so that's a home. Number three, they bought a new blank in the city that year. When you buy property, you buy the building, not the feelings. That's a house. Number four, I feel safe and happy when I am at blank. Safe, happy, warm, loved. That's not about the walls, that's about the feeling. That's a home. I feel safe and happy when I'm at home. Number five, the real estate agent showed us a big blank. A real estate agent doesn't sell you love, they sell you wars and rules. So that's a house. Number six, after a long trip, I just want to go blank. Yes, after traveling, we don't say I want to go house. We say I want to go home. That's where the bed, the food, and the pajamas live. Okay, a house is the building, but a home is the feeling of belonging. Now I want you to try 7 more questions by yourself. Write the answers in the comment section or check the answers at the end of the video. And hey, please remember my name is Nelson. I'm a real person, not AI. I work really hard to make these lessons. So please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.